ready to go on the St. Kitts Scenic Railway here. So here's a view of the train with the ultra-modern engine here. This was used purely for sugarcane back in the day. Mountains here in St. Kitts, 68 square miles.
This is the Island Main Road. During the harvest season, there would have been someone at every gate to open and close the gates for the sugar trains. Today, one of the employees of the Scenic Railway goes. Right now we are going by St. Kitts Eco Park, 20 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens. A wide variety of plants planted there. The space.
You can see by the way the cars are moving that the track has not been leveled in a long time. Again, it was a sugarcane train for many, many years here. Now it's just for tourism. We are getting moved around.
Started its operations on St. Kitts on the 28th of January 2003. We own 5 railway cars, and thanks to all of you for choosing the tour. We are using all 5 cars. Let me hear you say yay! Yay! Right, thank you. Okay, now the hiking trails goes up from Newton Ground and from Belmont, where we are headed right now. You drive